mid-board washing machine. Wide stance, knees soft, tall spine. Hug the ball, and then it's just rotate. So it's rotating the shoulders, and then we build up for a fast speed. And do a fast speed, and then wind down the speed, and finish. Aim for about 8 to 12 as fast as possible.